Hi! I just got finished doing a tutorial on Someone to Lava. Now, yeah, there's lots of tutorials out there on that song and the play along, if you already know those chords, you don't need me. But one of the things that prompted me to do this is I put out on some of the Facebook groups, what's your favorite 3-chord song? And this was chosen the most. And I'm going to be doing up a 3-chord songbook, and so I gotta include this, right? So I found some very interesting things out there. One is that there's just wrong stuff out there in YouTube tutorial land. And I totally get it. I have mistakes in my chord chart, and I'm so glad when patrons point that out to me. But this is not the first time in that there's mistakes in a chord chart, and when it's just 3 chords, put those chords in the right place and put the right chords in, So there's a place I'm going like, I can't make that sense. Why doesn't that sound right on the G7? Well, because it's not supposed to be a G7 there. It's supposed to be an F. Okay, I'm going to be writing my own chord chart, and it's going to be right, and it's going to have the box diagram in it, which my students have told me that, over and over and over again, how much they appreciate having those box diagrams. And so I put a lot of time. It probably takes me probably about 90 minutes to get a chord chart out, maybe even more. Get everything. I guess it depends too. If it all fits neatly on one page, then it's easy. But then if I have to rearrange stuff like the Ukulele song, oh my God. I had the chord chart down right, but I had it on 2 pages, and then when I tried to combine it, stuff got lost, and I'd spent so much time on it, and then I put it out, and I used it then to do the play along, and so both things were wrong, and I had to take the whole Ukulele tutorial down and redo it. Thank goodness I had somebody point out, wait, things aren't right. So gosh, I just love being a part of an engaged community where, I hope that if I ever do get to be a big channel, I'm going to spend some money to help get an assistant. I can pay a teenager to help, point out the important emails to me and things like that, and comments that need my attention. I hope so. Anyway, yeah. And I guess I can do that because, being of the age that I am, I get paid to breathe. So, I have a cushion. I don't have to make it as a YouTube artist. That's a real bounty, and I'm having fun at it. And my husband so far is not, hating the time that it takes. So things are good. I hope things are good in your life. Oh man, we had a major thunderstorm this morning. I tried to get the dogs out, and just in the few seconds that we were out there, we were both drenched. I mean, it took an hour for my hair to dry. It was really bad out there. And then the little alert system on my phone for the weather app said that there was a lightning strike 0 miles north of you. I believe it. It was rocking and rolling. I hope folks in Iowa have got their power back and the internet back. And so, speaking of which, internet and all that good stuff, tonight is my Zoom jam and open mic. And so if you haven't done that, this is kind of how it works. I certainly bring some stuff to screen share that I know that when you play it, I should be able to keep a reasonable beat and keep the things going, and that you can follow along with me. Because basically when you're doing Zoom, it's just a duet between you and me, because everybody's muted, so you hear yourself, you hear me, or whoever's playing. And tonight I have guest artists. I have Debbie and John Annan. They are a husband-wife duo, and they do ukulele stuff, and they play off of each other in their performance stuff. It's very humorous, it's very lighthearted, funny, and they're going to be my guest co-hosts, and so they're going to bring some stuff to showcase, and I better email them after this and let them know that things are still on and things are going. So I have a Zoom link. It's the same one every Friday. It's on my Facebook page. If you don't see, email me, the Ukulele Fool. I haven't been bombed yet on my Zooms, but you know what? I was teaching a lesson and I had somebody show up. Yeah, so there wasn't the student. So that's yeah, that's what's going on in my world today. Tomorrow I am going to sit down and talk about Patreon because I'm seeing that lots of people have questions, and so I'm going to go through it as a person supporting a creator as well, because it'll show it from what you see rather than what I see, because just like with my teaching for the university, what I see on the Blackboard system isn't what the students see, and they go like, it looks like this, and I'm going like, I don't know what it looks like. Anywho, I hope that you can come tonight. I hope that you can check it out and see what's going on, and be part of the gang, because we have people that come night after night, and then we always have new people showing up too. So we feel it's a friendly little slice of the internet there on Friday nights. See ya. Bye-bye.